Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Today, speaking about automotive maintenance, I would like to address a crucial topic for all vehicle owners: the importance of preventive maintenance. Often, I notice that people underestimate this fundamental aspect of car ownership. Preventive maintenance means taking care of your vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommendations, following the specified inspection and mileage intervals. Unfortunately, many consider this practice unnecessary, claiming that their cars are in perfect condition and that taking the vehicle for inspection is a waste of money. What many fail to understand is that by postponing preventive maintenance and opting for a corrective approach, in other words, waiting until something breaks, this will inevitably result in much higher expenses in the future. A clear example of this can be found in the braking system, particularly in brake pads. When brake pads wear down to the point of hitting the bone, the cost of replacement is not limited to just the pads but also includes the brake discs. Therefore, by delaying preventive maintenance and ignoring signs of wear, you are simply postponing the inevitable and facing a much higher bill when you eventually take your car to the workshop. So, as automotive enthusiasts, it is crucial to remember that preventive maintenance is not an unnecessary expense but rather an investment in the safety, durability, and efficiency of your vehicle. Do not overlook the manufacturer's recommendations and take care of your car responsibly to enjoy a safer and more cost-effective automotive experience.